Hi everyone, I'm back! Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I have a price matching and couponing haul that I like to share with you. It may not be one of my best hauls, but it is a haul nonetheless, and it's a savings, which is even better nonetheless. And I wanted to share that with you because there are a few deals that are too good to pass up and too good not to jump on here and share them with you. So if you want to see what I purchased, how much I purchased the items for, and how much I saved, please keep on watching. So to begin, one of the best deals on right now, and guess what guys, you do not need a coupon, so anyone can pick this up for absolutely free. Plus, it's a money maker. So Metro has both the fajita kit and taco kit on sale for two for $5. Checkout 51 currently has a $3 rebate for each fajita kit and each taco kit. So you get $6 back, you paid $5. So that is a $1 money maker. So guess what guys, I picked up 6 packages. I have 3 accounts, so I am getting $18 back. Awesome. Next we have this spice paste. This was free. This was a free product coupon that I received from Social Nature for me to try and review, so that was absolutely free as well. Here are the ever famous OralB toothbrushes and Crest toothpaste, which is currently on sale at No Frills for 88 cents. There is a printable coupon on smartsource.ca. Buy 2, get $2 off. So that made my OralB and Crest toothpaste absolutely free. Moving on, we have the Kellogg's all-brand multigrain crunch cereal. I purchased 4 boxes and all 4 were free with a free product coupon. All the more reason why you should ensure that you watch all my videos, and by doing so, if you hit the bell icon, that will ensure you're notified each and every time I upload a video, because I did upload a video letting everyone know that these free product coupons on save.ca were live and to act quickly because they would sell out fairly quickly, and unfortunately they did. I did pick up 4 boxes today because the expiry date was actually today. So I hope everyone remembered to pick up theirs as well. A favorite in our house are these Veggie straws. These are currently on sale at No Frills for $1.88. Checkout 51 currently has a $1 cashback offer, making these 88 cents, which is a great deal. Moving on, I picked up this bacon, great deal. $2.99 for the maple leaf bacon. These are currently on sale at Metro for $2.99. So I stocked up and I believe I purchased, 6 packages of bacon. Here we have the Kellogg's Eggo. This is the buttermilk. These are currently on sale at Highland Farms for 2 for $5. I believe there's a coupon out there. I didn't have one unfortunately, so it was $2.50 per box. The Delicio pizza is currently at Giant Tiger for $2.98. That's half price. There was no coupon, which I thought was a really good deal, so I picked one of those up as well. The Danino drinkable yogurts are on sale for $2.88 at both Metro or No Frills. There is a 75-cent printable coupon off the Danone website, making that $2.13. And the last item I price match, which is not shown here, is the Beneful dog food that is currently on sale at Food Basics for $4.99. There is a $3 printable coupon available on smartsource.ca, bringing that down to $1.99 per bag. So I did purchase 4, but those are put away already. So that was it. That was my price matching and couponing haul for this week. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you were able to take advantage of some of these savings, or will as soon as you watch this video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and like always, I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye everyone.